You know, one thing that the ladies never leave home without is mascara. And why? Because they love long, luscious, thick, beautiful eyelashes. But what if you don't have good eyelashes? What if your lashes are weak, thin, short, or sparse? Well, the good news is that we can do eyelash transplantation to give you the long lashes you deserve. Hey there, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center, and we're going to talk today about transplanting hair into the eyelid. That's right, eyelash transplantation, which is a comfortable outpatient procedure that enables us to relocate follicles from the back of the scalp into the eyelid so you can get permanently long lashes. In fact, eyelash transplantation enables the lashes to grow so long that the procedure comes with scissors, so you have to trim the eyelashes over time and groom them. So who's a candidate for eyelash transplantation? Well, if you have thin, short, sparse, or weak eyelashes, you might be a candidate for an eyelash transplant procedure where we harvest and relocate hair follicles, literally 1, 2, or 3 at a time, into the eyelid area comfortably under local anesthetic. The procedure is done in the office as an outpatient process, and no longer do we have to use any scalpel or stitches. So it's a comfortable process that heals very quickly in the location where we take the hair follicles and heals very quickly within about a week or so in the eyelid area. So if you're thinking that you don't have the lashes that you deserve, you want longer, thicker, more dense lashes, then maybe eyelash transplantation would be for you. So what you need is a consultation with me, and you can get there by clicking the link below.